am here to bang the hot guy that hit on me at the bar.
Jacob.
Jacob.
Are people still saying bang?
Oh, I do. We are gonna bang. This is happening. Take off your shirt.
Why?
Please, can you take off your shirt? Because I can't stop thinking. And then you just...
Okay.
All right, okay.
Okay.
Fuck! Seriously? It's like you're photoshopped. Can I...
You have cold hands. Now you take off your dress.
No.
Yes.
No way, not with all that going on. No, thank you. Is there dim lighting somewhere? Oh, God. Okay, so then what do we do? What happens now? Like, logistically?